What's the meaning of crayfish? Crayfish. Crayfish.
Crayfish. Crayfish. Crayfish refers to a freshwater crustacean that resembles a small lobster, with a hard exoskeleton and two large pincers. They typically inhabit streams, rivers, and ponds, and are often used as a food source in many parts of the world. The name crayfish is derived from the Old French word escrevisse, which is believed to have originated from the Latin word exuvia, meaning molted shell. These creatures play important ecological roles, as they feed on organic matter and serve as prey for larger aquatic animals.